So after you have picked your work from the content sheet, like say your name is Amrit and you have already selected the work for tomorrow in the Wednesday tab, like you're supposed to do the work for the current day only, but you're only assigning work for the next day in advance, so that next day everyone has their work assigned no matter what time they are working. So if your name is Amrit, so you have already written your name at some specific projects that you like, right? So now tomorrow, now how do you find those projects? Like now you know the project name, like one is the project name is my mom to baby, and you are supposed to write the blog of it on Wednesday. So how do you find the requirement for it? So for that there's another sheet, content status sheet, as you would find in the doc. So all you need to do is go to the master sheet tab. Here you will find weekly entries, which generally I remove at the end of the week or at the start of the next week. So just come to the current entries. Okay, so like this is a new entry here. So what you need to do is, now the project name is my bum to baby and you have to do the blog. So all you need to do is two keys, control plus F, first of all control F, and just type the name my bum to baby. Now what you need to do is go to the latest entry, not the first entry, because obviously the previous entry would already be covered. So you need to find the latest entry. Here it is, as you can see, my bum to baby GP, which someone is already doing, and here is the blog, just one entry above that. Here is my bum to baby blog. Now you have selected my bum to baby blog here, because we suppose your name was Amrit. So now you have selected the blog here, so you are supposed to write your name in front of this. So you can simply write your name in front of this, so that the other person knows. If there are multiple blog requirements, so the other person knows, or the other writer already knows which blog you are working upon. So you just write your name on it, and now you have the entire information about the project here, like the requirement which you are supposed to do. So here you will find all the instructions, the keywords, the URL, content type, the tone type, and the person you are supposed to contact. Now once you have found the information, you just copy paste it in a Google Doc, work on it. Once you have like PF'd your work and someone else has also cross-checked your work and you are done and you are about to share, all you need to do is just take the link. Let's say this was the doc link. You can see people have all the members have put different dates and like word count here, so you are also supposed to do the same. Once you have done your work, here will be the word count, like it was supposed to be 650 words and you have written 670 words, or it was 400 words, I guess. Yeah, 400 words it was. So if you have written 450, 430, 420, whatever it is, you just put that count here, the date on which you have done the content. Like if it's for Wednesday, so you will put the date for Wednesday. If you did it on Tuesday, you will write the date for Tuesday, and then the doc link. So say this is your doc link. Here you have put the word count and here is the date. Okay, the only last thing that you have to do is, now once you have done everything, the entire entry is complete, you just select the link. Make sure you are doing this for each entry when you will be working. Select the doc link. Here you will find a send mail button. When you click on send mail button, it will show a pop-up like send mail to the concern. So for the very first time when you will do this, you will need to authorize the sheet to send mail further in the future. So for the very first time, the process will be a bit different. You will be directed or redirected to a new window where you will have to click on the advanced setting, like when we visit an unsafe site according to Google. So we have to proceed to the site anyway by clicking on advanced and then proceed to the site anyway. So the same goes here. You have to just click on that. After you click on the send mail to concerned, you will be redirected to that page where you will have to click on advanced and then proceed to the respective link, whatever there is anyway. And once you click on that, the email will be sent to the concerned destination person. Like here the name is Amrit. So the email means the doc will be sent via an email to the concerned person, that is Amrit. Once you have done this, from the very next time, all you need to do is just select the doc link and click on the send mail, and then send mail to the console. No more authorizing for any document of yours. Just one time authorization, and from then onwards you can simply send the email to the concerned person. But make sure for each doc you are writing, for each content you are writing from this status sheet, you are supposed to send mail to the concerned. And once you have done it, you will see thing like email sent. Here you can see email sent is visible here. So this means these writers have already sent the email, so the respective SEO person have received the content already, so you'll not be needing to share them personally, right? So make sure once you are done with your work, every document you are sending the email to the concerned via this process, and one time authorization only. And once your email is sent, you can just simply select the entry and mark it green, and it means that your entry is done and complete. So that is just one entry, and you can try it. I'm removing it from here. This was for your reference only. Yeah.